Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new to my channel, then welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you guys like the content that I create, then please do consider subscribing. So today I have created this look for my Navratri makeup series. By the way, this is my second look. So if you guys are interested in knowing how to achieve this look, then as always, please continue watching. So since I am doing my complexion first, I'm going to go in with my Smashbox. This is their Photo Finish Vitamin Glow Primer. I'm going to nicely work it into my skin. It is a little tacky but feels extremely smooth. For foundation today I am using these two. I'm going to mix these two foundations together. So this is our Anastasia's Luminous Foundation in 332C, and this is our Smashbox Studio Skin 15-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation in 2.4. Going to mix it well. This is my NYX foundation brush. This is my JOUER's Essential High Coverage Liquid Concealer in the shade Honey. Over here a little bit on my chin. The reason I'm applying it on the other areas as well because this foundation is warm. So I want something that will really brighten up. Now I'm going to set my under eyes with Anastasia's translucent powder. This is my Real Techniques setting brush. This is my K-Beauty's Matte Compact in the shade 130N Medium, and with this compact I'm going to set the rest of my face. This is my Real Techniques blush brush. More than blush application, it's a nice powder brush. For blush, I'm going in with my MAC's Melba blush. Oh, this is my Morphe's E4 brush. Today I will be applying this beautiful highlighter from JOUER. This is their Skinny Dip highlighter, using the same Real Techniques setting brush to apply this highlighter. I had completely forgotten guys that I have these beautiful highlighters. Like, I also have it in the shade Citrine. These are so beautiful. Now you guys are going to see me using these a lot. These just blend beautifully into my skin. If you are a makeup artist and you want to invest in a good highlighter, JOUER is one brand that I will recommend. I'm just going to quickly spray my 4th Rate Beauty Glisten Up Illuminating Mist. So guys, I'm just going to let the setting spray dry down completely. And you guys know the drill. I'm going to fill in my brows, finish left side of my eye makeup, and I'll be right back. I have already primed my eyelid with Urban Decay's eyeshadow primer portion, and today I will be using my ColourPop's Give It To Me Straight eyeshadow palette. First, I will be going in with this shadow. It's called Downright. To apply this shadow, I am using my Zoeva's 227 Luxe Soft Definer brush. This is our transition color. Now I'm going to soften the edges with Zoeva's 228 crease brush. Going in with TMI now, which is this shadow. Going to apply this one with Real Techniques base shadow brush. First I'm going to place it on my outer V. Now very gently I'm going to pull it inwards. I'm going to blend this out. This is my Sigma's E40 brush. On my eyelid, I will be going in with Be Blunt. First, I will be applying it with my finger. For some reason, I really love this color. With my MAC 239 brush, I will be applying it on my inner corner. Building up a little more. For it to look more metallic, I will be spraying my spray. Taking Downright again, okay, this one, I'm going to blend all the shadows, especially in my crease. Now in the center, I will be going in with Candid. On my lower lash line, I'm going to blend TMI, but it's just going to be halfway. On my waterline, I will be applying ColourPop's Creme Gel Liner in the shade Charmer. So guys, now in the center, that is on my eyelid as well as on my lower lash line, I will be going in with my Urban Decay's Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner. This one is in the shade Volume. With ColourPop's gel liner in the shade Swerve, I'm going to line my upper lash line using my MAC 210 brush. I'm also going to tightline my eye with the same gel liner. On top of this eyeliner, I will be applying my MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lipstick. This one is in the shade Oh Lady. Can you see? This is my Clinique's High Impact Waterproof Mascara. This just happened. So I'm going to let this mascara dry down completely, fix it, wear my lashes, and I'll be right back. So guys, before moving on to lip color, I will be quickly applying my Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. This one is in the shade Medium. I will be applying it under my eyes and on my T-zone. I will be also adding some more of my blush and highlighter. So now I'm going to line my lips with NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner. This one is in the shade Copenhagen. I'm going to fill in my lips with Huda Beauty's Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Famous. Now I'm going to lock everything in by spraying some of SCANDINAVIA's The Makeup Finishing Spray.